Do you experience production delays because of missing tools? Are you wasting hours searching for them? Well, you're not the only one, as this is the situation for many manufacturers. Since I started using Plataine's application for tool management, it has been so much easier to keep track of thousands of tools across our facilities. With Plataine, I never lose a tool. I simply run a search for the tool I need and immediately see its location and status on the screen. Tool Manager acts like my smart digital assistant, using AI to predict maintenance due, helping me run a much smoother operation. In addition, machine learning algorithms study the tool's routes. And when a tool is misplaced, the application sends me an alert with the tool's location. The interactive dashboard displays tool usage and capacity utilization, giving me full visibility of all tool status on the production floor in real time. Want to know when it's time to send the tool for maintenance? No problem. AI algorithms ensure optimal service recommendations. The Tool Manager application stores all historical data, providing full traceability of the digital thread and improved quality control. With Plataine's solution, I managed to significantly lower late work orders by reducing production delays and improving our overall equipment efficiency. Always keep track of your tools with Tool Manager.